Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Recife, Brazil, and I'm at the zero marker. It's the marker that I think all measurements are taken from, of latitude, longitude, and all those kind of things. But let's go take a look and I'll show it to you. Let's do it. Bye. So this thing showed up on the top 10 things to do, and it's still near the port. Some of the buildings are kind of cool. But it's this circle marker right here where everybody's sitting around it, I think is the zero marker. And so if I understand things right, I don't, because a lot of them were in Spanish. It's like, and I'm trying to learn Spanish, by the way, is that it's where all longitudes and latitudes are taken from. And so what are these words here? So this is the zero marker. Scusi. Thank you. And so this is it, and it says latitude, longitude, this 0 kilometers, anno 2000, and it says okay, and this is the zero marker. And there's people around here too. Interesting. Let me show you the area. Let me tell you something else. I left Lisbon and it was cold. Like heavy jackets, long pants, those kind of things. And then over the course of riding the boat down here, it is like 96 degrees and about 80% humidity. And I am just a puddle of sweat, and it's pretty hairy. Anyway, this is the zero marker. Oh, so there's west, and there's north. So each one of them is labeled. So that's cool. And there's east, Sol, I don't know, Sol, Mercuria, Marcia, Venice, Luva, south. Okay. And there's the Recife sign. I'm going to end at the Recife sign. How's that sound? Cool. Recife. Okay, that's it for me. The zero marker, everybody. Bye.